And after this 35-year complete odyssey of creating businesses, scaling businesses, exiting businesses, and developing a coaching practice really gave me some unique perspectives and insights into creating a business, and it just became my passion. Hey, welcome to a podcast where dreams meet determination and success is just around the corner. I'm your host, Suzanne Taylor King, and I'm here to help you unlock the full potential of your business and your life. Welcome to Unlock Your Way with STK. Let's unlock your path to success together. Hey, everyone. I'm so glad you're here today. I just really want to give you a little overview on who I am and why I'm doing this. I'm Suzanne Taylor King, the entrepreneur's secret weapon. I don't call myself that lightly. I've had so many clients say that the secret to their success was really getting the knowledge and the support that they needed from a coach, a consultant, and a mentor. And my mission, if you want to call it that, is to really make entrepreneur lifestyle and business success easier for you. I have a couple beliefs when it comes to entrepreneurship and about myself as my job as your coach and your guide here at Unlock Your Way. I believe in challenging the status quo and thinking differently, boldly stepping into the confidence of being unique and different. And I believe that by enhancing your unique gifts and qualities, your strengths, that change actually happens and you grow from that change. And I believe my lifetime of learning and deep mastery of personal habits and emotional intelligence can shift your life and your business trajectory. I believe coaching is custom and co-created. That's why I want to give you some behind the scenes, actual coaching calls and experiences that I give my clients, and those actionable steps and resources for simple, straightforward motivation and momentum. Why? Because I spent 35 years as an entrepreneur without that. And when I came into the online space in 2010, I was searching for that. And through all of the searching, I worked with some amazing coaches, some amazing mentors, and some not so good ones. And I really, really wanted to take all of those experiences and distill them down, not only for my clients, like I've been doing for the last 10 years, but for a bigger impact. Hence, here we are with Unlock Your Way with STK. And after this 35-year complete odyssey of creating businesses, scaling businesses, exiting businesses, some for profit, some just to exit because I didn't want to do it anymore, and developing a coaching practice in 3 different distinct niches really gave me some unique perspectives and insights into creating a business and, most of all, a life to support that business, not the other way around. And one of the hallmark stories I love to tell is my very first business before social media, which gave me the entrepreneurial bug and spirit. That business started with $3,000 and by the end of the first year had done $1 million in sales. And I had no idea what I was doing, but I knew the product and I knew the customer. And that was the first lesson really in knowing your customer, knowing your product, and falling in love with your customers' problems and solving them for them. And it just became my passion to do that in whatever business I was doing for myself and also my clients. My educational background is really diverse, and that's allowed some really interesting perspectives. So, things you might hear me talk about: a 20-year dental career, my hobby of Stoic philosophy and positive psychology, and possibly some extreme sports might come into this podcast, and relating that back to the entrepreneur mindset. Because I believe being an athlete has been one of the reasons I've been so successful being an entrepreneur. It's that mindset of grit and determination and deciding where you're going to go and deciding that path and that roadmap really is the same mindset I use on a Spartan race or in the boardroom negotiating a deal. And I want to bring all of that to you. Those various domains that we're going to cover and go into this podcast are going to give you the experience of education, motivation. You're going to get to see some incredible people get coached. You're going to meet some incredible people that I've had the pleasure of talking to over the years. Some of the authors that I love to read their books. And we're going to break all of that information down and really get into it. And I'm so excited to actually help you get better connected to all of these resources and all of these incredible, incredible people. Now that you've heard all about the show, let me just tell you a little bit about why this show, why now, and all about the kind of culmination of all of my businesses that I've ever done and my work is the Idea Lab community. And from that community for entrepreneurs was really sprung this idea of this podcast. So it's truly an extension of the community. And the Idea Lab was started because entrepreneurship was overwhelming for me. The online space can be distracting and lonely all at the same time, between the BS, the ads, the algorithms, and not seeing the content that I wanted to see, seeing the content that the platform wanted me to see. And I knew that most entrepreneurs were feeling the same way. So by creating a community that was a destination, that community to inspire creative thinking and give inspiration and insights, share innovation, share ideas, and really come together and collaborate. It was created with these core values, which are my core values at its core: to have a vision, to have a future vision for your business, to surround yourself in community with like-minded people, to be happy while you're doing it. So no bullying, no algorithms, no ads for people getting, your attention, and being in alignment with who you serve and what you offer, and stepping into your power as an entrepreneur. Confidence, self-love, compassion, empathy, all of those things are available in the Idea Lab community, as well as vetted experts supplying their incredible knowledge and sharing events with you. So that community really was the driving force for me in being out there in a bigger way. And I hope it inspires you the same way. I'd love to invite you to join the community, see what we're all about, and see that this podcast is truly an extension of that community. And what's included with that community? Well, there's a newsletter, there's networking, there's coffee chats, there's the vetted experts, like I said, there's subgroups called Coach Conversations, Growth Intentions, and all of our experts are doing monthly events. And you'll get to meet some of those experts here on the podcast. So I'm really looking forward to all of this together in one incredible space for entrepreneurs and business owners. All right, now you've heard all about this podcast, all about me, STK. You've heard about the Idea Lab community. Now I want to hear from you. Head on over to the Idea Lab community. The link is below. And tell me what authors, what people you'd like me to talk to, what do you want to know on this podcast, and we'll dive in. Let's grow this community together, because imagine a group of entrepreneurs coming together to learn, inspire, motivate, and grow together, all while inviting your people to it, is just an incredible experience of community. Eager to unlock that full potential? I'm here to help you on your journey and provide that personalized guidance tailored to your unique goals and challenges. Simply book a one-on-one coaching call with me and we'll dive deep into your business aspirations and see how we could co-create a roadmap for your success. And whether you're striving to scale an enterprise or just getting started, I'm here to support you every step of the way. To schedule your coaching call, simply visit the website at unlockyourwaywithstk.com, click on the Book a Call button, and we'll turn your dreams into that reality. Subscribe and review on your favorite podcast platform and on YouTube. Plus, you can join over 800 entrepreneurs in the Idea Lab Facebook group. Let's make success as an entrepreneur happen together. Until next time, I'm STK. Keep dreaming big, stay focused, and most of all, have fun while you're doing it.